Hello all, myself Muheshan. I have completed my final CS50 project on title called Stock Market Analysis and Recommendation Tools. So this is my main project file. So which contains initially the Y Finance, which is an inbuilt Python library, which is used to access the real-time stock market values or historical values. So this is my three different functions other than my main functions. So the first function is called read stock symbol, which basically reads the stock symbols from the inputted file and are stored in the form of a list. And the second function is called fetch stock information, which uh, which retrieves the stock information from the inputted file and are stored in the form of dictionaries, which are finally returned from at the end of the function. In the third function called write output stock information, which finally stores the stock information for the each stock symbols in a final output file for the further reference. So this is my main function, so which contains the input and output file text files which are declared, and if the stock symbols are read from the read stock symbol function from the inputted file. If there is no such stock symbols are exist, which is exited with the system.exit, and then finally the if there is such stock symbol exist, the finally this output is written in the output file about the stock information. Now I'm currently running my final project in the terminal window. So this is my inputted stock symbols, which is contains some Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. And finally, I getting the stock information output file, which contains Microsoft with current price and the suggestions of buying or not buying or holding the stock. Don't take any decisions of buying or selling. For Amazon and Apple, we get the suggestion like hold, which means that don't take any decisions of buying or selling the stocks. So this is my test case of the main project, which contains the testing of each functions. The text reads stock symbols and the fetch stock information and the write stock information. And I'm currently running my test cases also with PyTest. So finally, the three test cases are also passed from my final test files. So this is all about my project.